So you just bought your new laser engraver and you think the world is your engraving zone. You go online and search for cool laser engraving projects and you run across this. The Forbidden Vinyl Record Wall Clock Project. You think to yourself, I am going to make that. You then run down to your local Goodwill and grab your favorite 99-cent copy of Charlie Brown on vinyl record, then head home to cut it. Well, hold up there, partner. It's not so easy. Records, when laser engraved, cause toxic gases and can corrode your entire machine or worse, harm you and your health. I am going to show you how to properly create a vinyl wall clock. First, grab a sheet of black acrylic like this. Then create your own record out of it using your laser. If you need a template, I have one for sale for only $3 on my Etsy shop. I will link it below. Then you can use some wood veneer for the label on your record. Now you can make all the custom changes and cuts you want to it. Then add a clock module to the center and you're all set. Alternatively, instead of cutting out the numbers from the clock, you can also glue on cutout numbers from another material. You have now made the Forbidden project successfully and, more importantly, safely. If you found today's video entertaining and helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel as we are trying different style helpful tutorial videos out.